Today we're making Big Bird, and this it's actually really easy. What I did was get a bunch of fondant and pre-tinted them. So this yellow fondant is going to be the beak for Big Bird. This red fondant, put just red dye in it, it's going to be the tongue. This white fondant you do not tint is the eyeballs. You roll it into the shape of the eyeballs. The blue fondant is going to be essentially the eyelids. And then the pink, which is red dye, but less red dye, just makes it pink, is going to be the back of the eyes. So starting out, I couldn't find any yellow frosting. So I went ahead and just tinted just some plain white frosting and made it with yellow food dye. Now I'm using, after it's frosted, what we want to do is do Big Bird's eyes. I'm going to put this out of the way because we want to get the eyes ready ahead of time. So I took the fondant and I just rolled out big eyeballs. And then I took that pink fondant and made the back. You'll see kind of how this starts to look like Big Bird. I laid out just kind of a flat line with a curved back, and that becomes now the back of Big Bird's eyeballs. Right there. Same goes for the other eyeball. So now you have two Big Bird eyeballs. Now we take the blue, because he has a like kind of a blue eyebrow. I lost that one. So now you take the blue and you shape that around right in front of the pink before the white. See how that's starting to look like Big Bird's eyes. Same goes for the other one. And you can use a little water to make it stick together or frosting. There are your two eyes. Now we're going to put the pupils just in the middle of the eye. Some black frosting. Now it is time for your beak. We have the yellow fondant that we made into some shapes of the beak right there. And then we took some of the red, just kind of the same size, put it in there. There's your happy Big Bird. Some more feathers on the top of his head. Now we're going to give him a couple more feathers.